Standing up can be painful. Knees may crack with each step, and opening a bottle can become a struggle. If you or someone close to you experiences these challenges, it's essential to know they are not purely signs of aging. These are subtle indications from your body that it needs care. Research shows more than 70% of Brazilians over 60 suffer from joint discomfort, often resulting in swelling, stiffness, and reduced independence. The primary cause is the gradual decline in collagen production, a protein crucial for maintaining flexible, well-cushioned joints. The great news is that nature provides simple solutions through specific foods. Today, I'll introduce you to 8 foods rich in collagen and anti-inflammatory nutrients, ideal for anyone over 50, particularly those with sensitive joints. Curious about what these foods are? Before I share, please comment below about where you're watching from and your age. We want to see how many of us are focused on preserving our strength as we age. Stay tuned for a powerful yet straightforward tip. Let's begin. Food number 1, bone broth. When it comes to easing stiff, aching joints and enhancing mobility after 50, few remedies match the nourishing qualities of bone broth. This healing elixir is packed with concentrated collagen, particularly type 2 collagen, essential for cartilage, which cushions and protects your joints. Aging naturally leads to cartilage wear, causing friction, stiffness, and limited flexibility. Bone broth acts like oil on rusty hinges, restoring a smooth glide between bones and reducing discomfort in movements like stairs, bending, and walking. However, collagen isn't the whole story. Bone broth is loaded with amino acids such as glycine, proline, and glutamine, which are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. These compounds not only alleviate swelling and stiffness, but also aid tissue repair in weight-bearing joints, such as knees, hips, and ankles. Thus, bone broth is especially beneficial for seniors with arthritis or joint degeneration. It supports the body's repair processes and helps joints remain resilient. Additionally, bone broth is a mineral-rich food. Each cup contains calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and trace elements like zinc and potassium. These nutrients strengthen bones, maintain density, and lower the risk of conditions like osteoporosis, common as bone mass decreases with age. By nourishing both soft tissues and the hard structure of bones, bone broth serves as comprehensive protection for your musculoskeletal system. To make a nourishing bone broth, place around 1 kilogram of chicken or beef bones, especially those with marrow and cartilage, into a pressure cooker or large stock pot. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to draw out minerals. Then cover with filtered water. Incorporate vegetables like onions, garlic, carrots, and celery for added nutrients and flavor. Season lightly with salt. Let it simmer gently for at least 6 hours or longer for richer flavor. Strain the mixture. Enjoy this warm broth as a daily tonic, providing soothing relief in every cup. You can freeze portions for use in soups, stews, or gravies, making it a versatile kitchen essential. Regularly consuming just 1 cup can serve as natural joint therapy, delivering relief and nourishment in a comforting format. Food number 2, natural sugar-free gelatin. When made without sugar or preservatives, natural gelatin becomes one of the simplest and most affordable sources of hydrated collagen daily. Collagen is a protein that forms the structure of your body, beginning to decrease after 30, leading to stiff joints and creaky knees. Natural gelatin is a gentle solution, delivering collagen in a form that's quickly absorbed for tissue repair. For people suffering from chronic joint pain, arthritis, or osteoarthritis, gelatin is particularly beneficial. The collagen aids in rebuilding worn cartilage, restoring cushioning between bones, thus reducing painful friction and enabling smoother movement over time. This continuous supply of collagen strengthens joints, making everyday activities like climbing stairs or bending down significantly easier. But the benefits extend beyond joints. Gelatin also promotes skin health, enhancing firmness and elasticity, which naturally decline with age. Many seniors notice improvements in both joint comfort and skin appearance with regular gelatin intake. Moreover, gelatin is easy to digest, making it perfect for older adults with digestive issues. Unlike many processed supplements, it's gentle on the stomach while still highly effective. Taken consistently, natural gelatin can significantly alleviate joint pain flare-ups. For an easy gelatin treat, soak 2 packets, around 20 grams, of plain unflavored gelatin in 150 milliliters of cold water. When the granules soften, gently heat the mixture until fully dissolved. Then stir in 500 milliliters of natural, sugar-free juice, like grape juice. Pour into a container and refrigerate for at least 4 hours until set. The result is a refreshing, collagen-rich pudding, free from industrial additives, ideal for a healthy snack. Food number 3, milk kefir. Often overlooked, milk kefir is a powerful, yet underrated ally for joint health, especially as we age. While it doesn't provide collagen directly, kefir creates an optimal environment for the body to produce and absorb collagen more effectively. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for utilizing collagen-rich foods, which makes kefir incredibly beneficial. Rich in probiotics, kefir helps balance gut bacteria by reducing harmful strains that cause chronic inflammation throughout the body, including joints. Lower inflammation translates to less stiffness and improved joint comfort. Beyond joint support, kefir enhances digestion and increases mineral absorption, such as calcium and magnesium, vital for strong bones and connective tissue. This absorption tends to decline with age, making kefir especially significant for seniors. Additionally, kefir has a calming effect on the nervous system due to its tryptophan and bioactive peptides, which can help lessen stress and improve sleep quality. By enhancing rest and lowering stress hormones, kefir indirectly supports tissue repair and muscle recovery, contributing to overall joint health. To create a nourishing, joint-friendly drink, blend 200 milliliters of milk kefir fermented for 24 hours with half a ripe banana for sweetness and creaminess. Then add a teaspoon of cinnamon for its anti-inflammatory properties. Toss in a spoonful of flax seeds for omega-3 fatty acids, further calming inflammation. Enjoy this refreshing mix for breakfast to kickstart your day or as a bedtime snack promoting overnight recovery. Food number 4, eggs. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses and serve as effective allies for anyone facing joint issues. Often referred to as nature's multivitamin, eggs provide a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins that support joint, bone, and muscle health. Egg whites are especially rich in amino acids like proline and glycine, necessary for producing and repairing collagen. Since collagen supports cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, regular egg consumption helps renew these tissues, preventing wear and tear that leads to stiffness. This keeps joints cushioned, lubricated, and flexible, making movements feel smoother. Yolks contain vitamin D, B vitamins, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Vitamin D aids calcium absorption, critical for bone strength, while B vitamins support energy metabolism, ensuring recovery after strain. The antioxidants protect joint tissues from oxidative stress, reducing long-term inflammation, particularly in weight-bearing areas such as knees and hips. Additionally, when sourced from pasture-raised hens, yolks provide omega-3 fatty acids that further combat inflammation. Regularly adding eggs to your diet can enhance muscle mass and lower the potential for minor injuries. To make a quick, nutrient-dense meal, warm olive oil in a non-stick skillet. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, whisk gently, and season with a pinch of salt and fresh herbs like parsley. Stir in chopped spinach for a vitamin C boost. Pour into the skillet, cover with a lid, and cook on low until set, preserving nutrients. Enjoy this breakfast to start strong or as a light dinner, aiding overnight recovery. Food number 5, chicken with skin and cartilage. Although many people discard chicken skin and cartilage, they are among the richest natural sources of type 2 collagen, crucial for repairing and lubricating joints. For seniors or individuals with worn cartilage, this collagen directly aids in rebuilding damaged tissues, minimizing friction between bones, and restoring pain-free movement. Unlike supplements, collagen from whole foods is better absorbed and comes with additional beneficial nutrients. The benefits continue. Chicken provides quality lean protein for maintaining muscle mass, crucial for protecting aging joints. It also contains zinc, supporting connective tissue and healing, along with B vitamins that enhance energy and improve nerve function. This combination is especially beneficial for seniors dealing with arthritis, osteoarthritis, or chronic stiffness, conditions exacerbated by unchecked inflammation. To prepare a collagen-rich broth, place 600 grams of chicken, with skin and cartilage, like thighs or drumsticks, into a pressure cooker. Add 2 carrots, 1 onion, and 2 garlic cloves. Enhance with a pinch of turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory spice, salt, and approximately 1 liter of water. Cook slowly for several hours until the chicken is tender and the broth becomes golden and aromatic. Strain if preferred, or enjoy it with soft vegetables and tender chicken pieces. Sip this warm, restorative broth in the evening, especially on cooler days. More than comfort food, it's a therapeutic tonic for your joints and bones. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a like. It helps support the channel. Food number 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are powerful yet underrated superfoods, providing exceptional support for those with joint issues, stiffness, and chronic inflammation. Their standout feature is the high content of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, acting as natural protectors against hidden inflammatory processes that compromise joint health. These healthy fats alleviate tissue irritation and support circulation, ensuring nutrients reach the joints effectively. For seniors, this can result in reduced morning stiffness and improved mobility. Beyond combating inflammation, chia seeds can absorb several times their weight in liquid, creating a gel-like texture that hydrates cells. This property acts as natural lubrication for joints, aiding smoother movement and reducing strain. They also help regulate fluid balance, easing swelling in common problem areas such as knees and ankles. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber, promoting a healthier gut environment, improving digestion, nutrient absorption, and enhancing collagen utilization. They also provide minerals like calcium and magnesium necessary for strong bones and fracture risk reduction. In essence, chia seeds help prevent joint pain while amplifying other natural treatments' effectiveness, bolstering overall mobility. To prepare a nutritious treat, combine 200 milliliters of regular milk or a plant-based option, such as oat or almond milk, with 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a small jar. Mix well, and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight. The seeds will expand into a smooth, pudding-like consistency. Add half a mashed banana for sweetness or a handful of berries for antioxidants. The result is a creamy, anti-inflammatory pudding, ideal for breakfast or a refreshing afternoon snack. Food number 7. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, acerola, and lemons. When it comes to joint health, vitamin C is a standout nutrient. It not only boosts immunity but also fuels collagen production, vital for cartilage repair and tissue resilience. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't absorb or utilize collagen effectively. Therefore, consuming citrus fruits is invaluable for joint care. These fruits are also rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, which accelerates tissue breakdown and inflammation, particularly among older adults. Regular citrus consumption helps reduce morning stiffness and discomfort, slowing the progression of arthritis-related conditions. The anti-inflammatory effects of citrus also promote better blood circulation, delivering nutrients to joints and eliminating toxins efficiently. Citrus fruits are accessible, affordable, and easy to include in meals, making joint care practical and sustainable. Fresh, juiced, or blended, they offer a refreshing, natural way to boost mobility and energy. For seniors, the synergy of hydration, vitamin C, and antioxidants helps regain vitality, making movement less painful. For a refreshing drink, squeeze the juice of 2 oranges and half a lemon, blending with 100 milliliters of cold water. Add 5 acerola cherries or, if unavailable, 2 tablespoons of frozen pulp. For extra freshness, include a mint leaf before serving. Consume this drink first thing in the morning, as it's the best time for vitamin C absorption, energizing your body, and protecting your joints right from the start. Food number 8. Avocado. Avocado is more than just a creamy fruit. It is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse, crucial for maintaining joint health, especially as aging impacts mobility. Rich in healthy fats, such as omega-9 and monounsaturated fatty acids, avocado reduces internal inflammation damaging joints and enhances circulation, ensuring better nutrient delivery to tissues. This dual action alleviates stiffness and swelling, promoting smoother movements in commonly strained joints like knees and hips. Avocado also enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin D, crucial for bone density and calcium utilization, preventing injuries from fragile bones. Combining avocado with nutrient-rich foods amplifies their benefits, creating a more efficient diet for supporting tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Moreover, avocados are packed with antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which combat free radicals that contribute to tissue aging and inflammation, protecting joints from long-term damage. Regularly incorporating avocados into meals is simple and highly beneficial for overall wellness. Their creamy texture and mild flavor blend well into various dishes, providing a practical way to care for joint health consistently. Seniors often report increased energy, improved digestion, and better weight management with regular avocado consumption, all of which indirectly support joint health. To make a joint-friendly meal, mash half an avocado and mix it with the juice of half a lemon for added antioxidants. Add a pinch of natural salt and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil for its anti-inflammatory advantages. Spread this mixture on whole grain toast or rustic bread for a nourishing breakfast or light afternoon snack. It not only tastes delicious but also provides daily protection against joint stiffness. In conclusion, joint pain does not merely signify aging. It's your body's way of asking for care and attention. As discussed, foods like chicken broth, eggs, citrus fruits, and avocados can aid in repairing and restoring joint mobility over time. The 8 foods shared, rich in collagen and anti-inflammatory properties, have the potential to greatly improve life quality for anyone suffering from joint discomfort. Consistency is essential. Incorporating these foods daily can make a real difference. If you found this video valuable, please like it and share it with someone battling joint pain. Let me know in the comments which of these foods you've tried or want to add to your diet. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button. I share practical tips every week to help you live longer, healthier, and more independently. We love hearing from you, so comment with your age and location. See you in the next video.